Welcome back. In this lesson, you will learn how to spell your name. Dans le leçon, on va apprendre comment ou capable appeler nom. The first question I want to teach you in this lesson is, what's your name?
And what's your name?
Tim.
Tim.
Can you tell me how to spell your name, please?
P-U-R-V-A-I.
Oh, that's a beautiful name.
Première question m'a enseigné ou, c'est comment pour dire un monde comment elle est. En anglais, in English, you say, what's your name? What's your name? Par exemple, for example, moi relé Dooke, my name's Dooke. Au lieu de me dire my name's Dooke, me dit I am Dooke. I am Dooke. Mais ou qu'attendez, the speaker might say to you, okay, could you spell your name?
Yeah, can you tell me how to spell your name? Okay, N-O-A. N-O-A.
Q-U.
Yeah.
I-A.
Okay.
Could you spell that or can you spell that?
Can you spell your last name again? I couldn't hear it.
Sorry, B is in baby, A-U-M is in Mary.
Oh, bomb?
Yeah.
Li capable dire, could you spell it? Could you spell that? Si ba do could you spell it? Li ka do could you spell that? Could you spell that? En allez, could you spell that? Est-ce que vous capable appeler? Can you spell your name? Yes, I can. Si c'est could, ou t'as dit, yes, I could. Okay. Yes, I could. Oui, m capable appeler. I'm going to spell my name to show you how it is going to be. Je vais vous montrer comment le pralier pendant que je vais appeler nom moi. En allez, let's go. It's D as in dog. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. K as in kite. E as in egg. N as in nurse. E as in elephant. Nou ka remarquer moi c'est E. I see double E's. Moi double E. Premier E a me dit egg. The second E I say elephant.
Someone asks you to spell your name, you can say R as in Romeo, A as in Alpha, C as in Charlie, H as in Hotel, E as in Echo, L as in Lima.
Dooke.